Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can share live location on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, open up Google Maps. Now, then tap on the profile picture in your top right corner and tap on location sharing. Now tap on share location, corner access of course. Now select for how long would you like to share this location, and here you can just send it to someone. It's going to be sent as a link, so you might as well just copy and then paste it somewhere. Now just tap on share, grant access, allow. Now tap on go to settings and change it to allow all the time. Now you can go back. You can turn on notifications for it if you would like to, and allow. And yeah, just make sure that you have turned on location, and that is going to be all. Now you can just share this link with someone. That's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.